In today's episode of 7-Figure Product Series, an exclusive YouTube series, things are cooking up. I mean, really, things are gonna get hot, and I'm not talking about the sales because this one product is generating over $1 million. I'm talking about the product itself. If you're new to the channel and you're looking to start or grow your online Amazon business or your brand, you are in the right place because this is the largest channel on YouTube with the most amount of videos. And every single Friday, we release a new video called 7-Figure Product Series where we're diving behind the scenes to show you step-by-step how to start or grow a 7-figure brand. In fact, we're reviewing products that generate a minimum of $1 million per year. And today, we're gonna be covering this wok. Now, this is a cooking style pan that you use for special dishes. And you may or you may not know, but I love cooking, but what I also love doing is making a ton of money on Amazon with Autopilot. So before we get into that product and we get into the packaging, which I'm gonna tell you just by looking at the outside of the packaging, I see some tips on here that I can give you guys that are gonna help you guys scale your business. Let's go ahead and dive into my computer and let's look at the numbers. So here you can see the product name is a wok and the average revenue is around 93,000 gross. Net is 28,000 per month, and the average annual revenue is coming in at 1.1 million. Now, the typical average sales price is around $63. Moving right along to the product summary, you can see the daily sales are just over $3,000. Average daily units sold around 50. The average monthly sales are 93,000. Average monthly units are 1475, and the average product cost is around $15. By the way, if you want this entire summary, this entire product discovery report for not only this product, but all products here on the channel for 7-Figure Product Series, then what you need to do is click the link down below or go to www.7figureproductseries.com so you can get all of this data absolutely for free. That is my gift to you for being a subscriber. Now, if we keep moving along, you can see that the top 10 keywords are ranging anywhere between 1,000 up to 40,000. Now, the sweet spot that I like to see is around 5 to 10,000. Here you can see that there's not one, not two, not three, but 4 of these main keywords that are doing over 10,000, and the number one keyword, wok, doing 40,000 monthly searches. Now, the reason why I like to look at search volume is because this is gonna show you the depth of market, and it's gonna show you the demand for this product. Now, if you look over to the right, you'll see sponsored ASINs. You can see how many people are bidding on these keywords, and you can see the keywords that have low amounts of people bidding on them, but have decent amount of search volume. So those are gonna be some of your money keywords, right? And people, keywords that people are sleeping on. Moving right along to search volume, you can see that it's consistent between 19 and 23, and we've been talking about this a lot more on some of these videos. If you see a crazy spike around 21, it's gonna be around the height of the pandemic. A lot of people were at home, so they were spending more money. A lot of people were at home, so they were doing more home activities. So if your product was on Amazon, which obviously people were spending more time buying online, but if it's a product that can be used at home, which wok, people are cooking at home because they can't go out to restaurants, then that's why you can see that influx. So when you're looking at these graphs, whenever you see volatility, you wanna do your due diligence and make data-driven decisions, not emotional-based ones with, oh, that's inconsistency and I don't like volatility, because I generally don't. I like nice, sustainable track history of sales. I don't like any inconsistency or volatility because it's unpredictable, and we want predictable revenue that's gonna be generated 24/7, 365. But whenever you see that, ask yourself, was there anything that happened in the real world? Was there anything that happened in the economy that could have affected that, right? Moving right along into research strategy, to find this product, we were targeting products that sold around 1,000. The minimum average monthly price is $50. We excluded top brands, and we were looking in the category kitchen and dining. Now, moving down to the brand Home EC. This particular design was selected because of overall it is selling very well in the market and getting the most revenue share. Here you can see that this particular product, the monthly revenue is around 15,000. The reviews are only 578, which means it's a newer brand, and it's selling at a price point of $39. The rank is the 32nd, so it's not even on the first page. Guys, the people that are on the first and second page, they're doing 7 figures. This is an upcoming design, really good design, good packaging, good price point, really aggressive, and they're absolutely crushing it. So the category, and these products are 7 figures. This brand necessarily is not, but it has great potential. And I wanted to show you guys exactly what they're doing, because when I was looking behind the scenes, I seen some stuff that I really like. Now, again, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see all the related links. You can literally hover over and click on all of these. Again, If you want access to this, all of the resources for this video and this product, as well as all the other 7-Figure Product Series, then you need to go to www.7figureproductseries.com and get access to these for free. Now, if you're starting or growing and you don't have access to a software to find these products, it is mandatory that you have a software so that you can go through the millions of products that Amazon has. The guys over at Jungle Scout have been awesome enough to give us a special code for the channel. That is discount on junglescout.com. So you can get access to the lowest price on Jungle Scout and you can find your first or your next product. Now let's go ahead and head over to the Amazon listing. Let's take a look at their listing and see what they've got going on. Here you can see they literally have the Amazon's choice for woks and stir fry pans. And here you can see that the pictures look just really, really good. The pictures are high quality, main image, really, really good quality. They have the lifestyle images. They have the images that are talking about the quality of the product. You can see solid wood, easy pour spout, all of these different products. They're showcasing everything that it comes with. The cleaning brush, it's showing how to use the product. It's showing the product being used. It's talking about the benefits and the features. It looks authentic. It talks about, and I really like this because this is a combination of benefits and features, plus it's actually showing the dimensions, which is really, really smart. Here again, showing a little bit more of the product and how the product can be used. Very, very good, very high quality, yet still very simple. Now, you can see that they're ending the price in 9. Guys, I hate ending the price point in 9. I always end it in another number. Don't ask me why, just trust me, it works. Here they have a coupon for $8 off, probably using that to entice or incentivize more sales. You can see they've been testing some price points. So they launched at 43, they dropped to 39. From 39, they dropped to 35. They went back up to 39. So 39 is probably the sweet spot. And when you see this stair stepping, see how it looks like a stair? This is a strategy that they use when launching or when trying to increase BSR, bestseller ranking, and trying to move up the ranks, right? So if you want to see historical data like this, you can use the free extension from Keepa, and it's going to show historical pricing for the product. It'll also show if any other sellers have had the buy box, if they've used any lightning deals, so on and so forth, right? Scrolling down below, here you can see that they have the A+ content. It says from our family to yours. Down below, it has all the different kitchen collection products that they have, all the different products. It has pictures of them and their family on here, which is amazing. And again, in order to have access to this and in order to do this, all you have to do is be a part of brand registry. This is called A+ content or EDC, enhanced brand content. And you have to be a part of brand registry. All you have to do is have a registered trademark or go through an Amazon preferred partner and have a trademark pending, which means you've already paid, you've given them your information, and you can unlock all these extra tools like using video, enhanced brand content on the page, so on and so forth. Really, really clean, really good design, really good flow. I love how they use them, a lot of the content. They have the family in here. So they're really pitching the story, pitching the product. Great job. 4.4 rating out of 5, 619 ratings now. So they've got about 100 since the last time I looked at this. Date first available was 2021. So this product's a little over a year and it seems like they're absolutely crushing it. Now, my favorite part, guys, we've talked about the numbers, we've looked at the listing, we've analyzed the listing. Now it's time to open up the packaging, dive into the box, and look at the product development. What does the packaging look like? What marketing strategies are they doing? What is the quality? What does the pre-packing look like? What does the shipping packing look like? All of these tips and tricks that we can use and implement in our business when we're in product development or we're scaling. So right off the bat, you can see on the top, they have this handle, which I absolutely love. Very effective, right? Very strong and very cheap to do, right? It doesn't cost a ton of money to do this, but this is a decent sized product. It's got a little weight to it, so the handle is nice. Makes it look a little premium. Now they have instructions on the back, they have the diameter on the back, they have some pros and cons on the back. Here you can see they have their website, they have their Facebook, they have their Instagram, they have their slogan, cook, entertain, enjoy, UPC code on the back. So this is absolutely awesome. And they have this QR code, which we will get into this QR code in a bit, right? Moving to the front side, they have the wok, they have some logo, they have a little bit of inspiration on here, logo, talking about how you can use it, and they have another guarantee. Again, we'll talk about that in a second. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Now here you can see on the side, they have one lid here, one little ear here. They have one right here on the back. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Right off the bat, I can smell the wood from the lid. I can smell the wood from the lid, and I can feel the bubble wrap, which I absolutely love. Here you can see that they are taking pride and going the extra step to really make sure that everything is being protected and that everything is covered. Everything, all the utensils are in their own little plastic bag. The cleaner, the sponge, in its own plastic bag. Looks like the handle, its own plastic bag. Here goes a package stuffer. We will get to that in just a second. Now there's a sticker and it says, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Again, guys, if you don't know what type of warning labels or what type of disclosures you should have in your packaging or your product, make sure that you refer to Amazon's terms of service. You can go to amazon.com/Amazon's TOS or TOS. You can go inside of Seller Central and look at TOS and it will show you. But whenever you have a plastic bag that can fit over an infant's head, you have to have this disclosure because they could put it over their head and they could suffocate, right? And they have that on both sections, not just one. So every single product or product that comes inside the product or piece or component that comes inside the product has to have this, right? And right off the bat, I can smell the wood, and the wood smells absolutely phenomenal. Here goes the lid, definitely handcrafted, handmade, has a rugged feel, rugged look to it, which is absolutely amazing. Next, we have the actual wok itself, which this design, I've got to say, this design is phenomenal. Seems really high quality, really nice design. They've got these clipped on the side, protecting the sides, protecting the metal, rubber band on. They really went the next step. You guys know that I'm big on packaging. I'm huge on protecting the products and really doing everything that we can to protect and preserve the product during shipping and to give that wow factor when your clients and your customers are opening. That goes a long way. Here goes the handle. Let me go ahead and open this. It looks like that handle just screws right into the side. Easy enough. Feels very, very authentic. I've never owned one of these before. I've never used one of these before, but it just feels heavy duty. It feels authentic. It's real wood. So this is absolutely phenomenal. Now opening up the cleaner. This is a good bonus. Now when you're thinking about bonuses, you're thinking about inserts to have with your products, you want to think, what is the pain point my client's having? What is something that my client's going to buy, possibly from another brand, to complement my product? What's something that's constantly used with this product? So it looks like this here has a reservoir in the inside, so you can probably pour soap in here. It has a little button and it has a little scraping apparatus here. So you can literally, and here you can see that this slides off, and look at that. This part broke as I was doing that, right? So that wasn't on there very secure. However, put the soap in here, push the button, and the soap comes out, and this is for cleaning the actual pan. When the pan is dirty, you got something on there, you can scrape it out. So this is a nice little bonus. And here it looks like they've got a sponge. I have to look at the instructions, but I think that slaps on just like this. Yeah, so the sponge part actually comes on here, and you can use it like this to clean it. So really smart, really innovative that they would add something like that in terms of for cleaning the product. Really smart, good bonus, definitely a way to add value. And they have this huge spoon thing, which I'm sure that you use when you're cooking. Seems like it's high quality. I'd have to put some effort to bend it, but I could bend it. It's got a good weight to it. I don't see any logo or any branding on here. I would have liked to see some logo or some branding on here, but it feels good. It feels good, got a good weight to it. You can bend it, so it's not that durable, but it is heavyweight. It does feel good. Other than that, simple product with huge profits. Well done, really high quality. I absolutely love it. Now I saved the best for last, guys. You know my absolute favorite, guys, is the marketing. So I told you we'd come back to this box. Here on a few different areas of the box, there's a QR code that says scan the QR code with your smartphone or go to our website, homec.io, to sign up for our warranty, download free ebook, and check out recipes. They also have that here on the package stuffer, as you can see as well. Now they have a section that says very important, seasoning your wok. This is a very important step. Do not skip this step or your warranty can be void. Step 1, clean your wok thoroughly for about 5 minutes using warm soapy water, using the included cleaning sponge, blah, 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 blah. It says heat your carbon steel wok over medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. You can do this on your own stovetop. This ensures the wok is heated thoroughly and helps open up the pores. It also helps dry the wok completely after washing. Step 3, after heated thoroughly, add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of high heat oil, sesame, sunflower, grapeseed, etc. to the wok. Use a spoon to continue spooning the oil around the entire wok for 5 minutes. Step 4, turn off the burner, drain oil into trash, and get a paper towel to gently wipe excess oil off. The wok is now ready to be used. We recommend applying 2 layers of seasoning so you can repeat steps 2 to 4 again for a better coat. Here it also talks about carbon steel. It has some tips about seasoning and how to use, some tips on how to wash, why to wash. It has a frequently asked questions on here, and then it talks a little bit about what comes inside the product. and a little bit about their mission statement. Here it says, thanks again. Your purchase helps our small family-owned business grow. Your purchase also supports the Wounded Warrior Project and helps us sponsor children in need through various organizations. Leave us a review on Amazon. So here they're asking for a review. And on the back side, again, they have the 1-year warranty. And here it says that, shows you how to sign up for the 1-year warranty and what it has and what condition of the product applies. So we're gonna head and actually go to that QR code and show you exactly what they're doing. So I'm gonna pull out my camera and I'm gonna go ahead and scan this, and it's gonna take me right to the homeec.io website. Here it says free shipping, outstanding customer service, over 1 million grinders and shakers sold. So it looks like they have a ton of other products that are absolutely crushing it. But when we scroll down, it says click below to sign up for the warranty. We click on the warranty, it has the logo. Now we scroll down, it says warranty sign up. Bonus, get a lifetime warranty by following us on Amazon. It says click here to follow us on Amazon. Here you have your first name, your email, your phone number, and the item. Here goes all the different items that they have. And then down below is a box that says keep me up to date on news and offers, right? Let's click on follow us on Amazon. And here it's taking you to Amazon where you can click on follow, and here goes their Amazon storefront. So you can literally go on their Amazon storefront here and you can literally see all the different products that they have. So there you have it, guys. That's another episode down in the books of 7-Figure Product Series, a YouTube exclusive series where we go behind the scenes reviewing these products that are generating over 7 figures on Amazon. We order the products here to my studio, we break them down, we look at the marketing, we look at the product development, we look for ways to improve these products, find these products, so on and so forth. So if you're looking to start or grow your online Amazon business or your brand, or you're looking to increase your income, impact, or influence, you're at the right place. If you stuck around this long, do me a favor, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. That way you're notified every single Friday when we drop a new episode of 7-Figure Product Series. I'll see you in the next one coming up right now. And remember, you're only one product away.